nitrogen fixation from atmosphere to soil can be. So let's talk about, again, we have a tree. Now we know 78% of nitrogen is present on the earth, but this nitrogen cannot be taken up by the plant directly. We need to convert this nitrogen into absorbable form. We need to convert this nitrogen into absorbable form so that it can be taken up by the plants. Okay, now how do we do this? So to do that, we have certain methods. The first one is the physical method. See, nitrogen N2 is written as N triple bond N. This is N2. Okay. So now when we give a lot of energy here in the form of lightning or thundering. So what are we doing? We are giving in a lot of energy to break this bond, right? So we break this bond so that it can be converted into its absorbable form, and then it reacts with other oxygen, it reacts with water. So it will react with oxygen and water to form ammonia, which is the absorbable form and can be taken up by the plants. Okay. Now it could be chemical method. Chemical, or you can also call them biological, because we are here using microorganisms, living organisms also, right? Now let's say that these biological, there are certain bacteria, rhizobium bacteria. What does this rhizobium bacteria do? So this rhizobium bacteria converts the nitrogen into its absorbable form, which is ammonia. There are some other bacteria which can convert nitrogen into nitrites, nitrates. Okay, so that they can be taken up by the plants for its growth and development. All right. So here, nitrogen fixation from atmosphere can be done by any sort of energy. Like here, physical, we are talking about lightning and thundering, and chemical, that means rhizobium bacteria, which is actually rhizobium bacteria is a biological form more, right? That secretes certain substances to convert this nitrogen into its absorbable form, that is ammonia. So both can be the answer, and hence option C is the correct answer.